Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12, Iqfa. What is Iqfa? How Iqfa rules happens? We will learn in this lesson with examples. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Iqfa? Iqfa is the second case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. The definition of Iqfa is if any Iqfa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Iqfa rule will be done. That is, Ghunna nasalization will be done. What is Ghunna? We will learn in this lesson as well. How many Iqfa letters are there? There are 15 Iqfa letters and they are Ta, Sa, Jim, Dal, Zal, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sod, Dod, So, Ro, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. These are the 15 Iqfa letters. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign, Sakin sign or Sukoon sign on it. What is Ghunna or nasalization? Ghunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the duration or length of Ghunna? The duration of length Ghunna should be equal to 1 alif. What is Sakina letter or silent letter? As we have learned that any letter which has this sign on it is called Sakina letter or silent letter. This sign is called Jazm sign, Sukoon sign or Sakina sign. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? Sakina letter or silent letter pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has zabar, zir, pesh, vertical harakat, vertical or khada zabar, vertical or khada zir on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. What is tanween? 2 zabar, 2 zir and 2 pesh are called tanween. In fact, tanween is a noon sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why tanween sounds like a noon sakin. For example, Hamza to zabar an, Hamza to zir in, Hamza to pesh un, an, in, un. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of leen, the letters of kalkala and the sakina letters. How Iqfa rules will happen, we will learn with example. Our first example is, first we spell it. Qaf, Vaw, Zabar Qaw, Lam to Zabar Lan, Qawlan, Tha Zabar Tha, Qaf Ya Zir Qi, Faqi, Lam to Zabar Lan, Thaqilan. Here Iqfa rule is happening because There is ikfa letter comes after tanween. This is two zabar tanween. We perform gunna in ikfa here. There is zabar before vaw sakin. This is vaw lean. Lean letters we pronounce without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. There is Zir before Ya Sakin, this is Ya Madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. This is two Zabar Tanween. How we perform Ikfa rule here, and we perform Gunna as well. قولا ثقيلا قولا ثقيلا. The length of gunna should be equal to one alif. قولا ثقيلا. The next second example of ikfa is ain dal zabar ad noon to zirnin adnin ta jim zabar taj ro ya ziri tajri. Here ikfa rule is happening here because there is ikfa letter comes after tanween. This is two zir tanween, and there is zir before ya sakin. This is ya madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat, and here ta is also a kalkala letter. How we perform ikfa here with gunna? Gunna means taking the sound into nose. The length of gunna should be equal to one alif. How we perform gunna? How we perform ikfa rule with gunna on this example. Adna tajri, adna tajri, adna tajri. These are the examples of ikfa. Inshallah, next videos we will learn more example of ikfa. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.